Busy street in India, with people walking, cars honking and vendors selling their goods. Welcome to India, a country full of vibrant culture, delicious food, and mesmerizing landscapes. India is a popular destination for solo travelers, and today we'll be exploring some of the best places to travel as a solo traveler in India. Our first stop is the iconic Taj Mahal. Located in the city of Agra, the Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As a solo traveler, you can enjoy the magnificent beauty of the Taj Mahal at your own pace, without worrying about the schedule of a group tour. Cut to footage of Jaipur. Next, we have Jaipur, also known as the Pink City. Jaipur is a popular destination for solo travelers as it offers a perfect blend of history, architecture, and culture. From the Hawa Mahal to the Amber Fort, Jaipur has a lot to offer. You can explore the city's vibrant markets, try out local delicacies, and experience the warmth of Rajasthani hospitality. Cut to footage of Rishikesh. Voiceover. If you're looking for some peace and solitude, Rishikesh is the place to be. Known as the yoga capital of the world, Rishikesh is nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas and offers breathtaking views of the Ganges River. As a solo traveler, you can explore the city's numerous ashrams, participate in yoga and meditation classes, and indulge in some adventure activities like whitewater rafting or bungee jumping. Cut to footage of Goa. Moving on to the beaches, Goa is a must-visit destination for solo travelers. With its pristine beaches, bustling nightlife, and laid-back vibe, Goa offers a unique experience to solo travelers. You can rent a scooter and explore the local villages, indulge in some water sports, or just relax on the beach and soak in the sun. Cut to footage of Ladakh. Finally, we have Ladakh, a remote region in the northernmost part of India. Ladakh is known for its rugged terrain, breathtaking landscapes, and rich culture. As a solo traveler, you can explore the region's numerous monasteries, trek in the Himalayas, or simply enjoy the stunning views of the snow-capped peaks and pristine lakes. Cut to footage of travelers enjoying these destinations. India has something to offer to every kind of traveler, and as a solo traveler, you have the freedom to explore these destinations at your own pace. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Closing shot of a sunset over a scenic location. Voiceover. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore some of the best places to travel as a solo traveler in India. Until next time, happy travels.